Permanently delete your Telegram account, a step-by-step guide. Are you worried about the recent controversy surrounding Telegram and eager to safeguard your online privacy? Following Telegram CEO Pavel Durov's arrest on August 25, 2024, many users are choosing to delete their accounts. As a popular messaging platform, Telegram security and data protection are under scrutiny. If you want to leave the Telegram network, this tutorial will help to delete it permanently from a browser and an iPhone. Also, GadInsider will describe how to activate the automatic self-destruction of the account when time passes since you last used it. Here's how to delete Telegram account from browser. First, open the Telegram portal. Enter your number and confirmation code to log into the system. Click on 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner. Select Settings. Scroll down to Account and Privacy and click Delete Account. Enter your phone number to verify and click Delete Account to confirm. Here's how to delete a Telegram account from an iPhone. Open the Telegram app and tap Settings on the bottom right-hand side corner with the 3 horizontal lines. Select Account and Privacy and tap Delete Account. Select Delete Account to confirm. Enter your phone number to verify and tap Delete Account to confirm. How to automatically delete a Telegram account after inactivity. First, go to Telegram settings in the top right. Tap Account and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Self-Destruction. Set the inactivity period of your choice, 1 to 12 months. Tap Save to confirm. Your account will automatically be deleted after the time you requested for no activity. Data is permanently deleted, and your username will be free for anyone else to use. Here are some additional tips. Export your chat history and contacts before deleting if needed. Explore other messaging apps, and carefully review the terms of service and the privacy policy for Telegram.